Hi friends, this is Uday Misra. You are watching MBS Me. Today I am learnt about in this video a computer's hardware. Computer hardware, the physical part of a computer such as the a case, center processing unit, monitor, mouse, keyboard, computer data. And if talk about internal hardware components, a CPU, so some are internals hardware components, systems, cooling fan, floppy device, and CPU is heat sinks, SMPS power supplies, and hard drives, optical drives, RAM modules, CPU processors, and motherboard. If you want a deep knowledge in these components, so comment now. And if I talk about a category of a hardware, so divide by a category of a hardware 6 parts. First is a input device, and second is a output device, and third storage device, fourth processing, and fifth telecommunication device, and sixth connecting device. So let us start one by one topics learned. First is a input device. Input device, and an input device is any hardware device that sends a data to a computer, allowing you to interact with and control it. Some are input device like keyboard, numeric keyboards, and mouse, touchpad, trackballs, remote control, and joysticks, light pens. These are input device. And this first is a keyboard. Keyboard is a very common input device, and in this uses general text enter, and numeric keyboard is a purpose numbers are entered, and mouse detect a moment and send this data to the computers. And touchpad, if touchpad uses a touchpad is an input device, is usually found on a laptop computer. And trackball is all data about which directions the ball is spun is passed to the computers. And graphic tables, so graphic tables often used by a design and a artist to allow to nature's hands and movements to be input to graphics applications. And if a remote control signal, the remote emit control a computers. A system's data contains a small computers such as a DVD players from a son's distance. And if talk about a sticks pad, joysticks या joypads, so joystick या joypad user or move the joystick left and right, forward या backs, and data about the moment are sent to the computers. Light pens are right on the screens of a computers. And second is device, output device. And output device is any peripheral data receivers data from a computer, usually for display, projection, a physical reproductions. Some are physical, some are output device. First is a speaker, monitors, headphones, plotters, projectors, and printers. These are devices are generally users and very common device. So I am not explain in this device about. So move on next, storage device. A storage device is any type of a computing hardware that used for storing. This device is first device is a RAMs, second hard drives, and third is a diskette, and fourth CD-Rs and CD-RWs. Third device is RAMs, random access memories, and is also called main memory, and volatile memory also cards. And second is a hard drives. It is a rigid circle disk locates inside a computer. Then terms hard disk is often used as a abbreviations to hard disk drives. Diskette, it can record data as a magnetized spot on a tracks on the on its surface, diskettes becomes popular along with the person's computers mainly to transport data. And if talk about CDRs and CDRW, compact disc recordables and compact disc recordable writes. And as fourth is a processing meaning is a processing is a three graphical libraries and divide by two category. First is a CPU and second is a RAMs. So first is a CPU center processing units. CPU considered as the brain of the computers. CPU perform all type of data processing operations. CPUs work like humans brains, and CPUs some are some types of CPU. First is a single core, and second is a dual core and quad core and hexa core and octa cores and deca cores. Some like are types CPU. And if you want a deep knowledge of CPU types, so comment and I have made a particular video CPU types. And second is a RAMs. I learnt about so RAM is essentially device short-term memory. Some part of the RAMs. RAM first is a 30 pins SIMs, and some things like you look at screens, many types of RAMs. If you want, so comment and I create a particular this topic's video. And fifth is a telecommunication device, send information to and receive its from another person's and in a computer system. Some are devices telecommunications. First is a call center, support centers, hotlines, phone receivers, digital phones, cordless phones and landline phones and walkie-talkies and police radio. These types of telecommunications communications centers and some devices. Third, six is a connecting device. Connecting device are a physical object that can connect with each other and other system by internet. First is cable, port and expansion board or etc. First, ports you are look as a skins, and this is called ports. Many types of ports like a LAN port, USB ports. And second is a expansion board. Expansion board is a connecting boards. You look as a expansion board. And third is a cables. Thank you for giving me invaluable time. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Take care.